This video will discuss some of the new features that have been added to VAConnect version 5. Let's get started. In the startup screen, the example projects have been reorganized. Now there is a tab for each connection containing the various examples for each connection. Now when the mouse hovers over the example project, a picture of the connection appears along with a description. Note there are training video example projects for each connection that correlate with the training video for that specific connection. Under New Project, we see that 4 new connections have been added to the program, increasing the total number from 3 to 7. 2 new steel moment connections have been added, bolted flange plate and bolted end plate, along with 2 new wood connections, wood bolted shear and wood fastener withdrawal. The bolted flange plate can resist moment, shear, and axial load. The flange plates resist all of the moment and axial load, while the shear tab carries all of the shear force. For more specific information on this connection, see the bolted flange plate training video. The bolted end plate connection can resist moment and shear according to the AISC Design Guide 4 using the 4-bolt unstiffened configuration. The end plate and column flange are designed so that thick plate behavior is achieved and the bolts are not subjected to significant prying forces. For more specific information on this connection, see the bolted end plate training video. The wood bolted shear connection can design side members loaded with shear and axial load connected to a main member according to the American Wood Council National Design Specification for Wood Construction. For more specific information on this connection, see the wood bolted shear training video. The wood fastener withdrawal connection checks the limit states for both fastener withdrawal and fastener head pull-through according to the American Wood Council National Design Specification for Wood Construction. This connection supports lag screws, wood screws, smooth nails, and ring shank nails. For more specific information on this connection, see the wood fastener withdrawal training video. In addition to adding 4 new connections to VAConnect version 5, some major improvements have been made to the existing baseplate connection and shear tab connection that were in VAConnect 4. The baseplate connection now has the option to analyze a connection using the finite element analysis instead of using the AISC Design Guide 1 provisions, which are limited to uniaxial bending. Using the finite element analysis method, the connection can now be designed to resist biaxial bending along with axial load and shear. Note, since AISC 318 assumes a rigid baseplate analysis, anchorage design checks are not available when the connection is analyzed using the finite element method. For more specific information on this connection, see the baseplate FEA training video. In the shear tab connection, we now have the option to cope both flanges or to cope the top flange or bottom flange individually. Even with a coped beam, VAConnect can design this connection to resist combined shear and axial load. In VAConnect 4, the shear tab connection was designed assuming the extended configuration. Now in VAConnect 5, the shear tab is designed using the conventional configuration when the dimensional limitations of Chapter 10 of the AISC manual are satisfied. For more specific information on this connection, see the shear tab training video, which has been updated to include these new features. In addition to adding new features to VAConnect 5, improvements have been made to the help file, which is accessed by clicking the button in the ribbon. We hope you enjoyed the new features in VAConnect 5. Thanks for watching and have a great day.